أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start another Tajweed lesson which is called An-Nabr. Nabr in English, the accent. The meaning of Nabr is raising of the voice. So what is Nabr, and when we apply Nabr in the Quran? So before starting this lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so kindly subscribe it first, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the latest videos. And don't skip this video, it is very helpful video for you to know about the Tajweed rules, and inshallah step by step I will move to the new lessons of Tajweed, so stay tuned with my videos. So now I move to the next page, and you can see here to the left side on the top of this page there is written page number 1, and inshallah step by step we will move to the next lessons. I try my best to make these images for Nabr to those who don't know about Nabr. And what is Nabr in Tajweed? The definition of Nabr is, the Nabr is defined in the modern study of the sounds as. So what is modern study? Modern study means like the word of Nabr was not in the era of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because this Nabr word is the modern study word, right? At that era there was no any this type of word like which we call Nabr. At that time only this rule was called raising of the voice. Okay, at that time they only say like only raise the voice on these type of places, and the Nabr word is the modern study of sounds, that's why we are saying Nabr. Okay, so this keep in mind. So we say again, the Nabr is defined in the modern study of sounds as pressure on a part or a specific letter of the word, so that its sound is a little louder than the other letters. So what is the meaning of this? Look it again. So the pressure on a part meaning is like you can see the example here, waladdallin. On the lam, this is basically a part where we make a pressure, right? Like the pressure we make on this place, or similarly this lam also we call a specific letter of the word. This is a specific letter here where we make Nabr in the Quran. So the lam is in waladdallin. So this lam is place or specific letter in the word where we make Nabr, so that its sound is a little louder. So means when we connect this dad after longing with lam, so then the lam sound becomes bit louder than the other letters. Like the other letters are waw, lam alif, alif, lam, dad, ya, noon. So these are the other letters, right? And only we loud our sound on this place, right? So keep in mind, we say again, when we make Nabr on a specific letter of the word, so that its sound is a little louder than the other letters. So only that letter sound we make louder than the other letters. For example, with Nabr, one word we say waladdallin. Look, I am after longing, when I connect with lam, I raise my voice, and how it will be? Waladdallin, right? That is called Nabr. Similarly, we say in this next word with Nabr, wabas. So what is the reason of making Nabr in these words? The reason is that if we read waladdallin word, so in normal condition, the listener who listen the recitation of the Quran, because the listener is not looking this word, so they don't know what sign is on the lam right now. If they listen only without looking, so maybe they feel like you are reading a sukoon sign on the lam instead of shadda. As you can see in real, there is a shadda sign on the lam. So if any listener listen your sound, so maybe there will be confusion for him, like maybe this letter has a sukun sign. For example, if we do not make nabr, they will feel like the listener will feel you are reading sukun sign on the lam. How? Like we say waladdallin, right? Dallin. In this way, the listener will understand you are saying a sukun sign on the lam, but in real there is a shad sign. We want to tell him that like there is a shad sign, so that's why we make nabr. We raise our voice on this place to tell the listener like there is no sukun sign, there is shad sign, right? So as that's why we say waladdallin. We raise our voice on this place to tell the listener like there is a shad sign, not a sukun sign. Inshallah, in more detail, we will discuss about this in the next lesson. So just keep in mind what is nabr and why we make nabr. And look at another example is here. Here is basically sa has a shadda sign on it, and when you make a stop on the shadda letter, how you will stop there? You will say wabas, right? You will say wabas, and it's look like you are reading sukun sign on the sa, but in real there is no sukun, there is shadda sign on the sa. So how you can tell to listener like there is shadda sign? By making nabr. If you do not make nabr, so the listener maybe understand like you are reading a sukun sign on the sa, so that is like without nabr it will be wabas, right? On the shadda letter, if you want to stop and if you don't make nabr, so it's look like you are saying a sukun sign on the sa, and the listener understand like that. So you have to tell the listener like there is no sukun sign, there is shad sign on the sa. So if you want to stop then on this place, so you make nabr, and with nabr you will say with raising your voice on the sa, as we say wabas, wabas, right? So that is called nabr. More detail inshallah we read in the next lessons. So I hope you understand about nabr. What is nabr in Tajweed? So the next is the placements of nabr in the Quran. How many places are there in the Quran? There are 5 different places in the Quran where we make nabr, which we will discuss in 3 different terms. So what are those 3 different terms? Look it to the next page. So here are those 3 terms, like the 3 different terms that within these 3 different terms, inshallah, we will discuss 5 places of the Quran where we make nabr. The number 1 is called sabit waqfan wa saqit waslan. Sabit waqfan means it remains when stopping. Like when you stop on this type of place, you will make nabr there. So this is one condition. So you just remember that like there are 3 different terms of nabr. So the first term we are reading right now, and that inshallah we will discuss in detail to the next lesson. Only remember what is the meaning here. Sabit waqfan means it remains when stopping. Like when you stop, so you will make nabr on these type of places. And the second is was saqit. Saqit means but not. Like we do not make nabr. Waslan means when continuing. When you continue on that place, you will not make nabr then, right? That's why it is called sabit waqfan. Like when we stop, we make nabr. Wasaqit waslan. And when we continue, we do not make nabr. This is the one condition, the one term of nabr. And the second term of nabr is sabit waslan wa waqfan. Like when it remains when continuing and when stopping. Like in both conditions, we make nabr even you are continuing or even you are stopping. This is the second term. And the third term is sabit waslan wa saqit waqfan. Sabit waslan means when it remains when continuing. Like when you continue, then you make nabr. Wa saqit waqfan, and when you stop, So you will not make nabr, right? Like but not means don't make nabr when stopping. When you stop, you will not make nabr. So again I say, sabit waslan, it remains when continuing, wa saqit waqfan, but not when stopping. Like when you continue, you make nabr, but when you stop, you don't make nabr on this type of places. So I hope you understand up to here the 3 different terms of nabr in the Quran, and inshallah those 5 places also we will discuss within these 3 terms. And if you have any kind of question about nabr in this lesson, please leave a message under the comments, and inshallah I will try my best to give the answer of your question. And if you like this video, so please click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the first term of nabr, which is called sabit waqfan wa saqit waslan. So stay tuned, take care, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.